This is my 5th year, I think, at Willowstone Academy, and when our middle years program first started out, it was me and 15 students in what is now the grade 5 classroom. And now I'm sitting outside, I see our middle years lane and portables beside us, and that's been a real journey. And in some ways, it's really mirrored the middle years journey that our children go through. Because our program's a 4-year program, so we've had that revolution our own selves. And through that process, we've learned, like our students have learned, what it means to become powerful learners, both as students and as educators. And through that process of discovery, we've discovered things that we see our students discovering. And we've anchored the learning, the unique learning we're doing here, into 3 pillars. And we call those 3 pillars identity formation, authentic connections, and powerful learning. Because what we're really going for here is authentic learning. We want our students to be learning things that matter in the real world. Not just ticking boxes, not just getting letter grades, but about becoming people in the world who are change makers. And that happens, first of all, through identity formation. This is a time unlike any other when you're an adolescent and the world is big and new and you're trying to figure out your place in it. You're trying to figure out what it means to have a crush, have a friend, to be grown up and have harder conversations. And this is a space that we are able to take risks and make lots of mistakes and fall on our face and laugh and cry and everything in between. And if you're a middle years parent, and you'll know what I'm talking about. And out of that, we develop authentic connections, both with our peers and with our teachers. As we sit here, I'm getting ready for grade 9 graduation. I'm having lots of conversations with these grade 9 students, these graduates who I've been working with for many of them 4 years now. And the transformation that takes place in our conversations and who they are becoming in the world it's astonishing. And the connections that they have with each other and that they have with our peers makes that alumni experience really beautiful. And those connections that they have allow them to tackle the world in really unique ways, which brings us to powerful learning. And that's what we're about. Powerful learning is actually I won't say it's the hardest thing we do, but it's perhaps the most challenging, because education's changed in certainly the last year with COVID. It's certainly changed since I was in school, and it's changed even since I got my teaching degree. What we're doing with powerful learning, it's not enough just to get an A on a report card. That's not going to necessarily serve in life. It's not enough to do science and math and social studies and English. What we're interested in are the way those things connect together, and the way that knowledge and that content that we work with and the skills that we develop through that, how does that translate in the real world? Not only why does it matter so I can get a job, but why does it matter so that I can make the world a better place and be a better person in it? And that excites me.